Mga kaibigan, usapang negosyo naman tayo, or we are talking about business. It is the most very important to engage any business in our life, mga kaibigan. It is because if we are not to engaging any business in the business world, well, we don't have any generating or income towards our life, especially mga kaibigan na nandito ho tayo sa mundo na ginagalawan natin ngayon. Di ba? Kailangan po nating gumalaw ho tayo in regards to the needs of our life. Kailangan po ay matutunan po natin on how to generate income and making money through business. Because every one of us, for those people, especially Filipino, why a lot of the Filipinos are still remain on the very in the lowest type of status in life. It is because we don't have engaging more in the business. So try to think about it in another countries. Bata pa lang sila, tinuturuan na sila kung paano magnegosyo, paano dadalhin ang negosyo, mga kaibigan. The question is, it is teaching by the Bible or it is by the people? Supposedly, mga kaibigan, it is teaching by the Bible if we look at on that particular verses and chapters and the part of the Bible, mga kaibigan. May tinuturo po ang ating Panginoong Diyos dyan na lahat ho ng kita nating pera ay ilalagay natin sa iba't ibang uri ng negosyo, or ilalagay mo kasi hindi po natin alam kung anong sakuna or matinding sakuna na darating po sa mundo. Katulad ng pandemic, no, 'di ba? Lahat or buong mundo ay nagiging down ang economy. So yan ho, mga kaibigan, yan po ay mababasa doon sa Mga Ngaral chapter 11 verse 2 to 6 or 5. So basahin ho ninyo yan. Lahat po ng mangyayari dito sa mundo, mga kaibigan, if you want to be remain that kinds of life na ganun lang ho ang estado ng inyong buhay, nasa Biblia po yan mababasa. Kung magiging isang bedwetting ka, or you are still on that part of your life na gusto ka lang ng ganun, nasa Biblia po yon. Ang sabi po ng Biblia or the teaching of the Bible, the God or the Father, ang gusto po ng ating Amang Diyos, hindi ho tayo magiging mahirap. Kasi ang pag-angat ng buhay, mga kaibigan, ay nakadepende po yan sa disiplina sa sarili, sa estilo ng buhay. Kasi hindi po lahat nakapag-isip ng tama, nakapag-isip ng ganito, nakapag-isip ng ganyan. Kasi business, mga kaibigan, it takes more long years. If you want to have more gain in your business, if your business is nasa 1 year pa lang, 2 years, hindi ka pa makapagsabi doon na ikaw ay may ganansya, ikaw ay may kita. So lahat naman to tayo ay we are engaging. Like for me, I'm engaging to a lot of businesses. I have engaging on the business which is in the crypto industry and the stock market, and also in the Sunrise store, which is the sari-sari store, mga kaibigan. I undergo for the study of that kinds of business, mga kaibigan, in order for us to generate income. Like for example, I am here in my work or in my job, so hindi ko madadala yung negosyo. So my wife, the one who manages on that particular business, and then for me, dala-dala ko ay yung wallet ko in which the Web3, yung tinatawag natin ng mga Web3, mga kaibigan, that is considered as the crypto industry in the forex trading, or I am in the trading system, mga kaibigan, here in the Philippines, especially in the Bitcoin Cash. If we want to more engaging for the crypto industry, mga kaibigan, when we see crypto, there is a lot of the crypto coins around the world, na But the most very popular mga kaibigan is the BTC or the Bitcoin. So if you want to invest in the crypto industry mga kaibigan, it should be that you can invest your money that you can afford to lose. And the second mga kaibigan, I have in the stock market, I investing in the DITO. So the DITO will open in this our country. It's around hindi pa siya umabot ng peso. I invested for almost 70 to 60,000 or the 60,000 share. So pinapatulog ko lang doon at yan po ay darating ang panahon, kukunin ko po yun. If the share of the DITO will be parang papantay, will be equally to the Globe and the PLDT, yung aabot ng 1 share ng 1,000 to 2,000. So yung 60,000 share natin, malaking pera na po yun. So I have also investing on the crypto industry, on the crypto trading mga kaibigan. I have a lot of coins before, but now hindi pa siya umabot ng 1 peso, but I have more crypto coins in the Coinbase. So may tinatago po ako doon na almost 387 million coins. Kahit aabot man yan ng peso in our country, ano ko po yun mga kaibigan. So that's the part of my idea, that's the part of my knowledge and wisdom given by our Father, which is sa ating Amang Diyos, na kung saan mga kaibigan, isi-share ko lang po dito na malaki po ang tulong sa ganung aaralin lang po natin. Before we invest on that particular business or that kinds of business that we are engaging mga kaibigan, we need to study first. We need to conduct more priorities consultations before you invest your money, because money is very hard to earn. So yan po mga kaibigan, kailangan lang ho natin ng tiyaga, yung time, at the same time mga kaibigan, utak.